So chapter 13, surface area and volume. The first thing that you need to know in this chapter are the formulae. That is, for different types of solid shapes, what is the curved surface area, total surface area and volume. These three things you need to learn. The first exercise mainly deals with cuboid and cube, these two. So this is a cuboid. Now as you can see, there are 6 faces in a cuboid. Each of its faces is rectangular in shape. Each surface is a rectangle. So for finding area of a rectangle, what do? You multiply length into breadth. So that is what you will do. You will find area of each of its 6 faces. Now length into breadth is being multiplied 2 times because this is the length. If you take this EF as the length, this as the breadth. So this will be LB. Same with this also. For this rectangle also it will be length into breadth. Then breadth into height also, there are 2 surfaces, front and back, and height into breadth, there are 2 surfaces. So total surface area of a cuboid will be 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Or you can take 2 common and write it like this. For the lateral surface area, you're not including this portion, this one and this one is not included. For lateral, all other surfaces are included. So 2 into LB, this is removed in case of lateral surface area. So lateral surface area will be 2BH plus 2LH, or you can take 2H common, 2H into L plus B. This will be the lateral surface area. And volume will be length into breadth into height. That is the entire capacity of this cuboid. That is the volume. So by volume, we mean the capacity of a container, of a solid shape. What is its capacity? That is how much quantity of things can be filled inside this. That is the volume. And surface area means how much is the area of all the surfaces of this solid shape. Now in case of cube also, it will be done in exactly the same way. Only thing is L, B and H are being replaced with A. All the sides of the cube are having the same dimensions. So we are taking it as A. So in that case, the total surface area, now it is having 6 squares, 6 surfaces which are all squares. So A square is the area of each one. So this is one A square, this is another A square, this is another A square, and same way other 3 A squares are also there. So total surface area is 6A square. Lateral surface area, we are removing the 2 portions of that, front, the up and down one, so it will be 4A square. Volume will be A cube. So plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. So these are the dimensions given. This is having a length, a breadth and a height. So this is a cuboid. Now it is to be kept open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, you have to determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and the cost of the sheet. So cost will come from the area only, but while you find this area, you have to note that the top is open. So one of the length into breadth is not included over here. So first write down the given things. What is length, breadth and height? Now the box is to be kept open on top. So the area of the sheet that is required will be 2LH, 2BH plus only LB. Instead of 2LB, we will write only LB because the top is open. And then substitute the given values. Now because 65 centimeter is given in meters, this has to be converted. All have to be kept in the same units. So 0.65 meters. Then you have to substitute all these given values over here and solve it. So the area of plastic sheet will be coming as 5.45 meters square and cost is given for 1 meter square it is rupees 20. So for 5.45 meters square, it will be 20 multiplied by this area. So that will be the total cost, which is coming as rupees 109. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. So first write down the given things. Length 5 meter, breadth 4 meter and height 3 meters. All are having the same unit, so no need to convert. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. Now to find this cost, first we need to find the area. Cost is given, but we need to first find area, then multiply with this to find the total cost. So now what is the area to be whitewashed? The walls, that is, these are the 4 walls. Along with that, the ceiling is also to be whitewashed, which means that this floor will not be included in that. This is the floor of the room. If you assume this is the room, which is cuboidal in shape, length, breadth and height is given, the floor will not be whitewashed. Only the 4 walls and the ceiling will be done. So here also, for finding the surface area, we will be using the formula 2LH plus 2BH plus LB, not 2LB, because the floor area is excluded from here. Then you will substitute the given values of length, breadth and height and you will find the area. So which is coming as 74 meters square. So cost of whitewashing, if for 1 meter square it is 7.5 rupees, then for 74 it will be how much? So multiply 74 with 7.5. So the answer will be rupees 555.